What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Sonic Killer here. Got a new headset through Amazon because my friends online been talking mad shit about me, and my headset's been crapping out and making all kinds of sounds. So now they can shut the fuck up because I got a new headset, and it is one of the cheapest ones. You know, I didn't want to spend like fucking $100, $200. Not right now, at least. I'm gonna wait till the new Xbox comes out to buy a new headset for that, because you know, you buy a headset now, you don't know if it's gonna be compatible for the next one. So here we go, doing a product review, opening on a box opening, an unboxing. There you go. First one ever, so bear with me. I like the color. One of the main reasons why I bought it, because this thing right here has RGB. That's what it's called. When it's like the light changes, it's got a LED, so it changes colors and shit. So. Here's all the information, and I looked it up on Amazon, you know, from somewhere unknown company. But as long as they work good and they fit good, I don't care. I just need something to hold me over for now. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Bear with me with the camera. I gotta hold it. Hopefully, you know, I start getting some support, getting some money coming through, I can have way better qualities. There's the instructions. Buy me a freaking stand. For the computer setup, and I believe this is for the, oh no, this might be an extender. That's what it looks like, USB extender, which is dope. Okay. See, I really like this cord. So you can see it's not like it's very flexible and bending, and that's one of the main problems with my mics. It's just they got cheap quality cord right here, so over time, a short period of time, like it starts, you know, being worn down and used, and just like you get to that point, like, you know, with chargers, you gotta hold it in a certain place for it to work. That's how my mics are. Like, I gotta hold it in a certain place for it to not make a crackling sound and shit. So that's good. I'm glad that they did that. Give me a sec and get the wrapping. Okay. Let's bring y'all back to speed. This is very cushiony. The earmuffs are very cushiony. Even the mic lights up. And look how bendy that is. Like, that is amazing. So I'm gonna go and put these bad boys on and see how they feel. Not too bad, not too shabby. They feel nice. You know, you can tell like majority of it is very like cheap quality plastic. You know, but you know, what do you get for spending $28? You know, not too bad though. They make up for, you know, in other areas like this. It's a long cord, which is good. Let's take a look at this. There's the volume, the mute, volume button, and the mute. Not too bad, not too bad though. So I'm gonna pause the video here. I'm gonna go hook them up, see what they look like, you know, plugged in, and see the sound quality. So stay tuned for part 2. Alright, part 2 of the video. Got the headsets plugged in. You can see the lights now. How they changed colors. It's pretty dope. So, overall, are they worth the $30? I say, yeah. Maybe it can be priced down to like $20, $25, because the sound quality kind of sucks. But I do like that they light up. So that's my initial review. Best things about these things is that they light up, change colors. It's pretty dope. But if you're looking for something with good sound, these ain't it. On both in-game sound and voice sound. Do not recommend them when it comes to that. But if you're just looking for a cool, cheap headset, then these are your go-tos. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in to my first unboxing. Silent out.